Greetings everyone and welcome to Saudamini's kitchen. Today we will be making an insanely easy recipe and my childhood favorite, Mangalorean buns. It's a go-to recipe whenever you have overripe bananas. A stage till then we can't eat those bananas. Yes, just pop it into flour and make these awesomely tasting banana buns. For this, we will need 3 ripe bananas. You can use those bananas which we are about to throw. You'll need wheat flour, 2 cups. We'll need 1 cup of maida or plain flour. That's it. These are the core ingredients. We'll need some yogurt and jaggery for taste. We'll also need some salt, a little bit of baking soda and cumin seeds. Let's start. To the ripe bananas, you will be adding salt, baking soda and the cumin seeds. For taste, you will be adding 2 spoons of curd, a little bit of jaggery, and this is completely optional. If the bananas are too sweet, you can just let it go. Mix it really well. We want to convert this mixture into a slurry. To this recipe, we are not adding any water, so it should be as liquid as this one. To this slurry now, what we are adding is the maida or the plain flour. Mix it well. Let it come together. Then add 1 cup of the wheat flour. Knead it well so that the flour comes together. Add the 2nd cup of wheat flour. Give this entire mixture a good mix with your own hands so that it forms into a nice firm dough. It takes around 5 to 6 minutes if you are an expert. This dish is hugely popular as a tea time snack or a breakfast. So the dough is knit in the evening and let it to rest for 8 hours in the night and ready for the morning breakfast. Here you see the dough is nice and firm. It's been resting for 8 hours and nicely fermented. Meanwhile, in the kadhai, take some oil for the puris to fry. We'll now take the mixture and divide it into small balls. Yes, I said balls. Lightly oil the work surface so that the puri dough does not touch the surface. We're aiming a circular disc shape with a thickness of 1/8 of an inch. A cool trick to get a puri round shape is to roll and turn it in a quarter down and then repeat. Repeat till it forms a nice circular shape. Now let's check the oil. Just put a small dot of dough in the oil. If it rises fast, yes, your oil is ready for the puri. Now take the rolled puri and slide it into the oil. Keep it for around 40 to 50 seconds on each side or till it turns golden brown. Once you see the puri turning golden brown on one side, just flip it over to another one. We're aiming for a dark brown or dark golden brown color. Once you see the puri ready, just take it out on a kitchen towel and drain the excess oil. One of the secrets of true happiness and childlike joy is a warm, fresh, soft, homemade Mangalorean bun. Do try this recipe and let us know in the comments below how did you like it. Show us your love by subscribing to our channel. Until next time, enjoy!